Hey guys, welcome back to Trade or Die. So today we're going to be going through, what is it, October 16th to the 20th. So that would have been last week. And we're just going to break down some potential trade opportunities and really see where I should have taken trades or could have taken trades. So just to start off, there's a few things that I'm going to be looking for. Number one, I'll be trading on the 5-minute. Number two, I'll be looking for breakouts. Number three, I'm playing on the pullback candle. Number four, the pullback candle cannot be longer than the prior candle's wick in the direction that we're trading. And then number six, we also got to make sure that the body of the previous candle is at least $8. Outside of that, I think everything else should be good. There are a few other exceptions, but if we come to them, we will look at them. So just to start, October 16th, we'll start at 7 a.m. We have our first pullback right here, but the wick is longer than the prior, so we leave it. Price pushes back up by 7:45, pulls back down at 8:15. By this point too, at 7:45, we break minor resistances. So we know that we probably are not going back down. We know that. So price pulls down, pushes up. We have another pullback here, but not good enough. We get another push, breaking resistance, and then a pullback. This pullback is great. However, again, the wick is too far. So we leave it be. Price pushes up, then pulls back again, and what do you know? This is almost a perfect trade, but let's check the size of the body. So 78, wait, let's see, 78 all the way to 85. That's exactly 8. So let's say we do take this trade, instant L, and that is okay. Shit happens. But then you notice that price, rocket ships all the way up. It is what it is. So now price pulls up, we get a pullback back to the resistance, which is now support. Price pushes up again, another pullback here, but look, the wick again is too long, so we leave it be. Let's say we did take it. This would have been a perfect trade. Same with this guy over here. It would have been a perfect trade, no issues. But let's continue going on. So price makes a new high by 10:30. We have another pullback, and we don't take this one because the wick over here is longer than the body, so we stay out of it. Price pushes up again. We have a pullback. We didn't exactly break any highs. However, we're still looking for buy opportunities. And in this case, green candle, pullback. Oh no, we can't even do this one. This wick is too long. So we leave it be. We get a pullback over here. This is where we should have been looking at. And stopped out once again. Unfortunate. So anyway, we're going to continue. Price goes down, we break resistances here, supports here and here, and then at 1 o'clock we push back up, back into a resistance. By 1:30 we reverse and go back down and make new lows, breaking minor resistances, and then we push up again. And then by, what time is this, 1:50, we get our first great pullback, and we take the trade here, TP, and that's great. And then by 3 o'clock we have another opportunity right over here. This is a tough opportunity to take, because not only did the red candle open above the green candle, but it's also bigger than that, than the body. So let's not actually take this trade, and we'll wait for this pullback right here. But even on this pullback, the wick is too long, so we leave it be. And then after that, we get into 3:30 and we're done for the day. So now we're going to go into the next day, 17th. Okay, so 17th, we get to 7 o'clock, we break the low, but then what do we see here? The wick is too long. We stay out of it. Price comes back up, pushes down, back up, and we push down again. So we break the support here and also over here by 8:30 at the open, and then 8:50 we get this nice pullback over here, and it's profitable. Same thing happens again down here, nice pullback, and price continues pushing down. We get another pullback right here, but the wick is just too long, so we don't take it. But if we did take it, let's say we did take it again, we'd be just as profitable. So I think the goal over here is to really try to what do you call it, really try to hold trades, right? Because this trade down here could have been held until we got to this entry, and this entry could have been held until we got to this point, and then we could have decided if we wanted to really exit over here, right? And that would leave like alone $72. That's 290 ticks. 290 ticks. A mini is $5 per tick. 290 times 5, $1,400. About an hour. That would not be bad. Not even less than that. 12 bars. Half an hour. But let's continue trading. So we push down and we have another pullback right here, and this is not a bad pullback. So let's say we do take it. Boom. Stopped out, and that's completely fine, considering that those trades up here would probably gain more profit. Price pushes up. We have a great pullback right here, so we take this trade. It's profitable. Price pushes up again. The wick is too long here, so we continue trading. Price pushes up over here, breaks their minor resistance, but the wick is too long. Same thing happens over here. Wick is too long. Price finally pushes up again. We have another opportunity right here on the pullback, and so we get another profitable trade. Once price makes a new resistance at 12:30, it starts reversing, and we start to break minor support levels. We have a nice pullback right here, but actually no, we don't. Wick is too long on the green candle, so we leave it. Same thing over here after the pullback. Wick is too long, and then we get into 2 o'clock. We have a nice push up for buys. However, wick is too long, so we leave it be. Price pushes down, get the pullback, but again the wick is too long, so we leave it. Price pushes up, pullbacks, and there's no more opportunities because we get into 3:30. So now let's move into the next day. Don't ask me what I was doing here. Bad ideas. So now the next day is the 18th. So for the 18th, again, we're going to start at 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock, we can see that we're approaching the downside because we're breaking minor resistances, right? By 7 o'clock, we've already broken another minor resistance here and here. So now we're looking for pullbacks to the downside. Price pushes up, we break a minor, but we don't break this minor, so we leave it be. So once we get to 8:30 now, price pushes down and breaks the minor support again. Price pulls up, we have another pullback, but not enough to actually take buys. By 9:30, we have price breaking minor resistances, all of them that we just had, and then a pullback, Again, this pullback is not great. The candle's, number one, way too big, and number two, the wick is bigger than this here, so we leave it be. Now price gets crazy in this area between 9 to 10:45, so we leave everything, and then we have our first opportunity right here. This is a tough one because, again, the wick is the same size or very close to the body. So let's say we do take it anyway, instant L, and that's completely fine. So we take that, price comes down, get another pullback, but it's not it. Price pulls up, nothing breaks, pulls back down for the pullback, and then it continues going up. Right now there's no other opportunities until we get to 12:45. By 12:45 we see price push down, we break a minor support and another minor support over here, only a little bit on the pullback. And so if we do take this, it's profitable. Price pulls up once again to make a lower high and then pushes down, and we have a decent pullback right here. On this guy, we take it, and luckily we're profitable. And so price pulls up, we have another pullback right here that's pretty decent, but we're not really looking for buys per se. We don't want to see some kind of break in structure, but if we did take it, it would be a loss, unfortunately. So now it is 2:25. We have a nice pullback after the push down, but this wick is too long, so we stay out of it. Price pushes down once again. Nice pullback right here. Great pullback. Oops, wrong direction. So, great pullback, push down, and then we wait. It hits take profit, and then we have another pullback at 3:35, but we probably don't take it. If we did take it, we'd be profitable same way. But in this case, I said we don't because we really want to make sure we stop trading at 3:30. So now we're moving to the other day, the next day, the 19th. Okay, so 19th is tricky. So for the 19th, we look like we're breaking minor resistances. We're pushing up, coming down, and into 7 o'clock we push down into a minor resistance, minor support, and we break it. We don't touch this minor support yet, we just do a little tap before pushing up at 8:25. 8:30 there's a nice little pullback, but the wick is too long, so we leave it be. Price pushes up, breaks the resistance, the minor here, and we get a nice pullback. However, again, same idea, right? The wick is too long. Price pushes up again, pull back, and we take this trade, and it's an L. And again, like I say, like it's always okay, right? L's are bound to happen. So now we want to make sure that we're looking for buys now. So price pulls down, we don't break the minor. Excuse me. So price pulls down, we don't break the minor, and we don't exactly execute on this trade, and that's completely fine. Price pushes up, we have a pullback. Great looking trade. However, the wicks are too long, and also this opened quite a bit above the close too, so let's stay out of it for now. Price pushes up, pulls back down, we have a nice pullback and a break in support, minor support, and this is exactly what we're looking for, except the wick here is too long, so we stay out of it. Price pushes up again, goes back down, pushes up, we break the minor resistance, and we get a perfect pullback, so we take this trade, and it's a loss, and that's again completely fine. Push it down, pulls back up, push all the way down to break minor resistance just after breaking we break minor support just after breaking minor resistance. Then we push up again and we get another pullback. Um, so let's say we do take this trade. Like, I do like the trade. However, the wick is too long. So let's not take it actually. Price pushes down. We get a move up and then another push down. And these types of trades are really tough to take. The thing I don't like about this trade is that the body is so small. But let's say we do actually take it just for the session's sake. We do take it, it's profitable. Continue on with our day. Price continues falling. We get another pullback, a push down, another pullback, and a push down to make a new lows. And then it's 4 o'clock, so we get into the new day. I think this day overall would have been really tough to trade just because how quickly price moved. Like, these 5-minute candles had 116. Wow, had almost $100 in them. Almost $100, and that's nuts. Nasdaq, man. So now let's go to the 20th. 20th is the last day. So now we get into 7 o'clock and we see that we're not really going up or down. So we wait and we watch and we wait for the breaks, right? So we get a break in minor resistance here, right? By 8:05, price pulls down, but the pullback is way too strong. Goes down or breaks minor support here, but not the support over here or here. Price does a reversal, pushes up to meet that last resistance, pulls back down by 9:35, and another push up to make a new minor resistance. It doesn't come back here though, but it does tap it. After it taps it, price does a full reversal at 10 o'clock, and then we get our first great pullback. But again, the wick is too long, so we stay out of it. Price pushes down again, pullback. The wick is too long, we stay out of it. Price pushes down again, pullback. Wick is too long, we stay out of it. And this happens multiple times, and we stay out of it each time. And that's completely fine, right? We always want to make sure that we're taking the most high probability trade. There will be a time where we do want to take these trades. However, right now, since our main goal is to take the most high probability trade because we want to pass this evaluation, that's what we're doing. We're setting up a criteria in a way that will allow us to, pass in the long run. So this trade, same idea. We don't take it, even though the pullback is great. The price pushes down and then finally it reverses. We have another pullback right here, but again, wick is too long, we don't take it. Price pushes up, back down, up and down and up and down and up. We get another pullback here, we don't take it. Same over here, pullback, but we don't take it because the wick is too long. Price pushes up again, down and then up, and then finally we get a great pullback. And guess what? 125, we take it. Unfortunately, we take it. And on this trade, we lose instantly. And that's perfectly fine. So price pushes down, and then up, and then down once again, and then up, and then down. We break minor supports, and then we finally get a pullback right here. We take this trade, and we win. And then that's the day. We get into 3 o'clock, 3:30. We have another pullback at 3:50, but we're done by then. And that's the day. So now let's tally up our trades, see where auto break even would have fared well versus no auto break even. So we are on, wait, the 16th. I went way too far. 16th is right here. Okay. So now let me delete this. So now for Monday, the 16th, let me just confirm. Yep. So Monday, 16th, trade number 1, L. Trade number 2, we take it based off of this setup right here. We broke resistance, pull back, L. That's fine. Trade number 3, W. And that's a day. So now let's go into the next day, 17th. So for the 17th, trade number 1, profitable. Trade number 2, profitable. Trade number 3, L. Trade number 4 here, profitable. Trade number 5, profitable. Cool. So now let's go into Wednesday, the 18th. Oh, I didn't change this. Wednesday, the 18th. So Wednesday, first trade, -9. Second trade, profitable. Third trade right here, profitable. Fourth trade, it is profitable. Great. Now we're going to move into the next day, the 19th. So now the 19th, -9. On the first trade, second trade, -9. Third trade, profitable. Cool. Now we're going to move into the last day. Last day, Friday. Friday was really tough because nothing came up until later. But for Friday, we got one trade minus, second trade positive. So we took 17 trades, 59% win rate, which is not too bad. That's without auto break even. Now we're going to look at our stuff with auto break even. So keep in mind 17 trades. So now we'll go back to the 16th and we'll take a look at our trades again as if they could hit break even. So Monday, same L on trade number 1. Trade number 2, nope, same thing. Trade number 3, price came up, and I think this would have been break even because we're looking for 40 ticks. So this would have been break even on trade number 3. Now the next day, let's just make sure. Yeah, because it passed. Okay. So next day, for Tuesday, trade number 1, we still got 18. Trade number 2 would still be good. Like it does go down here and then it pulls back. But my stop loss is it's closer to my entry than away from it. Trade number 3, still -9. Trade number 4, this might have been, oh no, this went straight up, 18. Trade number 5, we're good, 18. Okay, now we get into the 18th. For the 18th, instant L. Profitable. Trade number 3, profitable. Trade number 4, still profitable. And now the 19th. For the 19th now, if that gets to 40, that means that we would Oh no, we were stopped out instantly. Damn. Instantly stopped out for trade 1 and 2. And then trade 3, 18. So we broke even on that day. And then last day, Friday. So for Friday now, we lose this trade instantly. And then second trade will be break even. And so here we go. $2,300 versus 1,600 on the minis. 702 versus 46. The good thing is that, you know, you kind of lose less, right? Like you're protecting your profits end of day. And there's nothing wrong with that. Absolutely nothing. So yeah, I'm pretty much done for now. The next time I do this will be November 1st, and I'm gonna work through October 23rd to the 27th. Starting November 1st, I'll be trading live, so I might just do a video a day, depending on how it is, or video every other day, just looking at the last 2 trading days that I've done, just to see if I'm still going according to the strategy. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and keep trading. Risk on. Bye.